Have you encountered such a problem when a tubeless tire does not hold air tightly? Is the wheel deflating? How to solve this problem? As you can see, I poured water into it. Bubbles came out of it. The wheel is not airtight. First, you need to bleed the air from the wheel by unscrewing the nipple. Then you have to pull the edges of the tire with a small crowbar. Pull the edges as low as possible, then shove thick grease where, for example, little. We must be done around the entire circumference of the wheel. Then pump it up. The air will stop coming out. The wheel will become airtight.